Hello everyone, I am Ronak Agarwal of class 11
I am Agamjot Singh of class 11.
and we are representing Delhi Public School Durgapur in CBSE Regional Science Exhibition 2022 and 23. The title of our project is Automatic Water Level Controller. The major objective of our project is to reduce or stop the wastage of water caused due to overflow of water in overhead tanks and simultaneously reduce the excess power consumption in the operation of the pump.
By the survey conducted by International Journal of Research, it was found out that around 2.4 kiloliters of water is wasted every day in a block, and that is around 7% of the daily usage of water.
So we decided to design an electronic circuit which could be used in a pump, which could stop the pump automatically and start the pump when the water level was low. And this we did with the help of a bistable multi-vibrator in IC555. My fellow friend Agamjot Singh will demonstrate the model and I'll explain the working principle.
This is the prototype of the model that we're currently making on. It has many components. I am starting explaining the components one by one. The first one is the overhead tank. The second one is the underground reservoir. It has a inbuilt pump and a pipe which is connected to the overhead tank, which transfers the water. It also has a circuit which helps in functioning of the model, and with a sensoring unit which has two water level sensors, which is at the bottom height and at the top height, and also with a with a light so that we can understand if there is water or not. Now I will start by switching on. As you can see here, green light is there and the water is flowing in. This is at the bottommost height. Dude. Oh yeah. By the time the overhead tanks fill up, my fellow friend Ronak will explain about the circuit.
So without wasting time, this is the pin diagram of IC555. This is the first pin which shows the ground state. This is the second pin which shows the negative triggering. This is the third pin which shows the output. This is the fourth pin which is the reset. This is the fifth pin which is the controller. This is the sixth pin which is the threshold state. This is the seventh pin which shows the discharge, and this is the eighth pin which is VCC. Now coming to the bistable multivibrator, this is the circuit diagram of bistable multivibrator. A bistable multivibrator has two stable states. First is the initial condition and second is the negative triggering. In the first state, the output is low, and as the circuit starts, a negative triggering is given from pin 2 and the output is high. So a positive triggering is given from pin 6 so that the output becomes low and thereby it again returns to the initial condition. This is the working principle of the automatic water level controller. So we can have a practical glance of the model. We can see that the water is going in, and this is a level sensing unit which has two levels marked. The lower level, we can see the light is switched off and thereby the tank is full, and everything is done automatically. So this has two marks, the low level, and if the water goes just below the low level, a negative triggering is given by pin 2, which increases the output and the tank is filled. And thereby again for the initial condition, positive triggering is given at pin 6, which makes the output low and the circuit is off, as we can see on the practical demonstration. So this is one of the best solutions for the wastage of water. We can reduce the wastage of water, and this has many benefits. We can highlight some benefits. The first of all benefits is that it runs fully automatically. That is, it does not require any physical monitoring in this process. And second of all is that we are also planning in the future to integrate it with mobile apps which can give us notifications when the tank is full. One of the practical implications of this model is that we can use it in our everyday life, and this can reduce this is cost effective. First of all, every household can afford this setup. Moreover, we can also replace this 12 volt with a solar power. This is also one of our future scopes, and we can use this to replace the present problems. Thank you.